Hi everybody, I hope you're having a lovely day. I am here today to talk about one of our older patterns that has had some love and a glow up. You may or may not know that since 2020 we have released all of our patterns in sizes 6 to 30, but we have a raft of older patterns that are still only available in sizes 8 to 20. And it is one of our tasks to slowly work our way through those older patterns and grade them up to our full size range from 6 to 30. But obviously we are a small team, so it does take a little bit of time, but we are committed to slowly chipping away, and we have chipped away at one more pattern that we are releasing this week, and it is time for the lovely Florence dress to come and be part of our full 6 to 30 size range. So the Florence dress was released in 2017. So, oh my goodness, 9 years ago, a long time ago it feels like, but also slightly just yesterday. And she is a shirt-waisted dress essentially. So you've got a shirt dress top here, elasticated waist. You have slim sleeves, and you've got either a full length or sort of midi knee, below the knee length skirt. But what we thought when we were giving Florence a little bit of love behind the scenes when we were grading her up is, why not add some more things in to make her even more versatile? So now Florence has the same bodice, the same really comfy, easy to fit elasticated waist. You've got the same little mandarin collar here, which is really cute. Same 3/4 length sleeve, but we now also have a short sleeve as well. And we have a brand new sleeve, which is a slightly wider sleeve that's then gathered into a nice little cuff. And we have also added in a mini length. So I think that now makes Florence available in 9 different versions. So you've got 3 sleeves, 3 skirts, and I think 13 sizes altogether. So she's become even more versatile. And she was originally an intermediate sewing pattern. We have actually brought her down a level because I don't think she's an intermediate sewing pattern. We have a collar stand to deal with, and we've got a button placket to deal with. But the way they are constructed is such a nice introduction into shirt dress type construction that actually I think she is very easy to accomplish by a confident beginner. If you're willing to just go for it, get stuck into the instructions and have a go, it is the perfect introductory sort of sewing technique into shirt dress type techniques. That was a long sentence, but hopefully you got what I mean. So yes, she now has 3 sleeves, 3 skirts, 13 sizes. The photos in the instruction booklet have now all been transformed into beautiful illustrations. Oh, and she's got pockets. We couldn't let this go without popping some pockets in as well. So we had our lovely model in Lucy to model a short sleeve midi length version, which is just like the epitome of summer. And then I went for the new cuffed sleeved and a mini version, which for me was great, tights and boots. Actually, I think I'll wear that a lot in winter. And then I have made a brand new maxi version as well, which I think is going to be perfect for spring. So she really is an all-rounder now. Florence is going to be sort of in and out of your wardrobe all year. Not only that, of course, we have some kits as well. I've chosen some gorgeous fabrics. So for Florence, you want a little bit of floatiness. You could do a cotton, but I would say err on the side of a cotton lawn, something light, because you've got this gathering at the waist and you want that to be really nice and soft in at your waist. So viscose is perfect, crepe's perfect. This is from Woolcrest Textiles in London, and if you've ever been there, you might know that it is a bit of an Aladdin's cave, but you don't necessarily know what you're getting. I think this is some kind of linen viscose. So it's super soft, but it's got a sort of linen-y texture to it. That works perfect. Linen would be nice, but I think err on the lighter side again, because you want this nice soft drapey side to show off Florence. But yes, we have kits. We have 3 gorgeous viscoses in the kits, and that is enough fabric to make any version in any size as well. So now in the full size range of 6 to 30. So you can still have a look on Instagram at the original hashtag, that will still work. So that's SOI Florence dress. If you want to, if you have not bought Florence before, obviously you can get it now and get all of these wonderful variations. If you have bought Florence before, then you don't need to do anything. You can just log into your account and download all the new files, and they're sitting there for you. A little bit of admin maybe for all the people that have bought Florence. We did change a little bit. So skirt's the same, collar's exactly the same. The sleeve, which is the same sort of design as the original pattern, we have graded slightly differently. So there's a tiny bit more room in it. It was quite snug, the old sleeve. So we thought we'd add in a tiny bit more room. And because of that, the bodice on this armhole is ever so slightly different. So if you already have the pattern printed and you're thinking, what do I need to reprint? Ideally, the front and back bodice and the sleeve, if you're doing this sleeve, would need to be printed again. Just to account for those changes. And also the interfacing on the bottom placket is ever so slightly different. But if you've got the original, it's not going to cause any headaches. It might just sit in a ever so slightly different way than it does on the illustrations in the instruction booklet, but it'll still work. It'll still work fine. Those are the changes. If you have got the full maxi skirt printed out and you want to draw on the new mini length, then you can always use the finished measurements and the instruction booklet just to draw that on yourself, so you don't have to print out the skirt again. But if you do want to start afresh, yes, head to your account. All of the patterns, it changes, all of the new patterns are in there, and of course you can print them with our A0 printing service. We have sent this pattern off since it's been updated to our pattern insiders, so hopefully there will be some lovely versions. What's nice about having an older pattern have some new love is that I have seen some pattern insiders that have got their old one and their new one, and they're now making multiple versions of it, which is really nice and lovely, and you can just see how versatile a pattern can be. But we love injecting a bit of love into our older patterns. Obviously, Sew Over It's been going for a long time. We've got a lot of heritage there, and it's really nice to focus a bit more on older patterns every once in a while and bring them back into the forefront of everyone's minds, because we just have so many. To be honest, we have so many that we don't have time to talk about all the time, and it is so nice to dedicate a bit of time to something as gorgeous as the Florence dress. So I think that is everything. It's now in sizes 6 to 20. Your hashtag is SOI Florence dress. We have kits, we have lovely kits. We have, at time of recording, there will be a little discount for anyone that wants to buy the Florence dress afresh. So see the comment for exactly what that is and when that runs out. I said we had kits, didn't we? You want your viscoses, you want your drapey fabrics for making your Florence. Again, at time of recording, it is gorgeous, perfect Florence weather, so I hope that sticks around for us all. And otherwise, I hope you love the new Florence as much as we do, and we're so happy to be able to bring it out to more people, to get more people sewing and wearing the Florence dress.